Hey, welcome to my blog, shishigo.com. I can tell you how happy I am to see you at the blog. For the sake of celebration of having 11 subscribers, which is more than 10, that was my current goal. I reached that goal, I achieved that goal, so I wanted to celebrate it by starting a blog. I mainly write about Japanese languages and Japanese culture and how to understand anime without subtitles, just like I do on the YouTube video, and also some environmental problems because I'm interested in those things. And also I might try writing in French or in German, since those are two languages I'm currently learning. But I think it's going to be after a while. And my writings will be horrible because I'm a beginner, but if you just give me warm regards, I'll be really appreciated. And as always, I'll see you in YouTube and blog.